Hello, thank you for tuning in. I am Lucid Lily. Hope you're having a great quarantine. Stay inside. So today I am going to be making, as I said I was going to make the YouTube play button like a plaque, but like for 100 subscribers because I'm desperate. I thank you guys for 100 subscribers. 100 people are watching me. That's so cool. Please, I mean, I know probably people will not, but I would love to know what you guys would love to see me do or something like that, because I love making videos. You could ask in the comments below or my Instagram, which I'll leave in the description. Even my TikTok, I don't know. Anyways, I don't post on my Instagram or my TikTok very often because I use a tablet because I don't have a phone. I'm getting one next year. Sorry. Also, I'm trying to look at the camera, but the lighting that I'm using is actually blinding my eyes and I cannot see. So, what I'm going to be making the play button out of is cardboard. Also, I'm wearing my beautiful back brace because chronic pain, honey. Ow. Is that what you wanted? Mediocre bangs and a mushroom. No, I'm not YouTube enough. Okay, perfect. This is where we're gonna do our station. I'm not gonna do it step by step because I'm lazy and also fast. I have to go on my class, my Zoom,
That's where my cat is.
Sorry, Adrian. I have to go on my classroom. Alrighty then, this is the end result. It says Lucid Lily for passing 100 subscribers on YouTube, of course. Anyways, that's the end of the video. That took me a real long time. Technically, it is homework because I don't know, it is. And of course, like and subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Boop boop ba-choo. Yeah. This thing is like so zoomed in all the time, but like it's chronically zoomed in. Like I can't zoom it back out because it's not how it works for some reason. I'm just gonna move the camera back. God, that was like, oh!
What are you doing over there? He's sitting at my empty desk. He's so cute. Back out!